Hi, everyone. I just want to um, hang on a second. Um, Sorry about that. I just want to explain to you a little bit about um, why I haven't been around for a little while. Sorry. My son passed away on November 21st. Wow. This is really hard. Anyhow, I just wanted to come on to tell you that's why I haven't been around, and I don't know how much longer it'll take before I could come back on. um, I had done a video a couple of days before he passed away, and I never got a chance to upload it. And I'm not sure if I I'm not sure yet when I will be able to do that. Um, I'm not even sure if whether or not, because of all this stuff going on with Copa and that, because my channel is a small channel, and I don't know. I don't know if YouTube will take it down because it's not a money making channel. I mean, I haven't really had a chance to. Anyhow, that's enough. Sorry. I just wanted to come on and tell you that I've been not around for that reason, because my son passed away, and it's been hard. Anyhow, I want to thank you guys for supporting me. If you don't see me anymore, if you see that my channel is gone, I want to thank you, those of you who just support me, for subscribing to me. I appreciate it. Anyhow, so that's it. I can't stay on any longer. Anyhow, that's it. Ciao, guys. Bye.